Hey YouTubers, let's take a look at my new Super Deluxe welding table I built. My buddy at work suggested I build it tall so that you can rest your elbows on it and weld and not be bent over. I haven't done a lot of welding on it yet, and the jury's still out on that, so we'll see. I kind of like it, but I was just doing some grinding, and this is just too tall to be using my grinders on. My shoulders started hurting. So I'm thinking about putting some kind of table that will fold down or something out in here so that it'll be a lower, so I can grind. I put a outlet strip on the back of here, and all my grinders are plugged into it, and this light's plugged into it, so I can put some light on what I'm trying to do. All I gotta do is grab whichever grinder I want and turn it on. So that's nice, and I can pull it out here and grind. I've got some tubes here. Let me get in closer. I think I need to show you my fire extinguisher. I bought a fire extinguisher and mounted it right here on the side, so I've always got one close at hand. I've also got another one in the shop, so I just thought having one on the welding table would be nice. Let's walk around it and take a look. I've got these that I can set my torch in, or my welder. I don't know what you call the torch head on a welder, MIG welder. I got one on each side here, so whichever side I'm welding on I can stick it in there. I had one that I clamped on that I just use now for my pliers there. I've got a roller table underneath it, and it rolls out right at the right height for my cutoff saw that's mounted on a shelf here on the side. And when it's locked down, it's below here, so anything I'm welding on will ride over the top of it, no problem. And that I have used quite a bit, and I like it. It's really handy having those rollers. I want to bolt my cutoff saw down. Let me show you something. There's a hole right here, and I could put a bolt up through that and a wing nut on the top so I can clamp it down. And then I'm going to rig up some kind of a stop underneath the table that sticks out and then comes up. So if I have a bunch of pieces that I need to cut off the same length, I can do that with the stop. Right now this would move, and that would make the stop useless. So that's the plan on that. I do have a table underneath. I've just thrown a bunch of my clamps, and there are some gussets back there for welding into corners of things to strengthen it up. That's my new Delux, Super Deluxe welding table. It's on casters, so I can roll it around, and I'll roll it right out that door there when I need to do a lot of cut-off stuff. I think the table is 30 by 48, something like that. And I rounded the corners off. I have a square sitting right there that I can set up on the top here, clamp it down if I need to weld things square. But that's another video, I guess. Thanks for watching. Oh, see my hard hat? Whenever I'm grinding, I put that hard hat on with the face shield. Safety first, buddy. Thanks for watching.